Alright guys, this morning, since we are finishing up Module 3, we took our test yesterday, I went online to IXL and I noticed that we have a lot of students that have not completed their math diagnostic, and that is okay because I've just kind of been assigning it to students as we complete other things in class. But this morning I would like you to finish that math diagnostic for me. So I would like you to go to IXL Diagnostic. Once you are in Diagnostic, hit Step into the Arena. And then once you are there, forget to hit this drop down arrow and select math only. And then it's going to ask you to pick a question that you'd like to answer. You're going to go through all of them. You know you will be all done when you look back at your diagnostic and each one of these have a star and one only single number on them. If you have not finished language arts, that needs to be done, but it looks like most of you finished that. I need you guys to finish math for me this morning, though. All right, guys, good luck.